Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This program subject is Efruzhu ANTİCANCER Drug Hu North Cyprus, Turkish Cypriot, North Cyprus, synonym version names. Our main city headquarters www.youtube.com/Efruzhu Cancer Theory. Synonym version names 1. Efruzhu ANTİCANCER Drug Hu North Cyprus. 2. Efruzhu ANTİCANCER Drug HABİRHU North Cyprus. 3. Efruzhu ANTİCANCER Drug Şafihu North Cyprus. 4. Efruzhu ANTİCANCER Drug Efruzhu North Cyprus by METAPOSİHU PHİLOSOPHER Efruzhu. 2. Efruzhu ANTİCANCER Drug Hu North Cyprus. Cancer disease completely, totally, absolutely finished at this decade. The most important real therapeutic operation, main idea, rematuration, recorrelation of opposites, rebalance, resymmetrical relationship as physiologic, balanced homeostatic balance of cancer cell, dual binary identity, dynamics, mechanisms, actions, functions that problematic conditional cell at the end would have been give support our body's healthiness, just like our material bodies and spiritual bodies opposition have to, need to, must to, opposition balanced. Cancer cell 1. Mutations grow identity by macrophages. 2. Normal original DNA identity. 3. Spiritual total identity. We should be divided to separate opposite dynamics, material cancer cell and spiritual cancer cell. Material cancer cell again divided mutations, dominant and normal DNA passive identities. UNİQUEHU Philosopher Efruzhu North Cyprus, Turkish Cypriot. 3. Efruzhu ANTİCANCER Drug Hu North Cyprus. Cancer cell material body mutations grow identity that came from outside by macrophages as foreign origin means non-self dynamics character dominant onto normal DNA identity, passive, recessive, that original self-dynamics belong to this half side. So, main principle every dynamics, feeding, nutrition, same category, dynamics only means mutations identity, non-self foreign, artificial, so need to molecular modern medical substances, normal DNA identity, original self-character, so need to natural product, chemical substances, spiritual, total cancer cell, identity, need to original holy sacred, spiritual dynamics that redesigned between material cancer cell and spiritual cancer cell, opposition, rebalance, that suitable of normal functions as normal mature cell. UNİQUEHU philosopher Efruzhu North Cyprus, Turkish Cypriot. 4. Efruzhu ANTİCANCER Drug Hu North Cyprus, opposition, multimodality, unique ANTİCANCER Drug Hu main purpose, early, middle, or terminal period, phase, grade, diagnosis, absolutely, completely, totally should be treated any stage. At first, poor conditional somatic cell had been transformed obligatory by more than one macrophages as neoplastic cell identity. Like problematic condition because of lost its control. At the end position, we will change it cancer cell to the mature adult cell that suitable of normal physiologic characters that give support our body's healthiness. Triplet cancer real treatment with opposition multidisciplinary unique oncological tactics of basics. 1. Mutations group identity dynamics reduced, remove. 2. Normal DNA identity dynamics increasing, improving, developing. 3. Spiritual total identity need to original holy dynamics that feeding power spiritual dynamics identity to become normal personal total identity. METAPOSİHU philosopher Efruzhu North Cyprus, Turkish Cypriot. 5. Efruzhu ANTİCANCER Drug Hu North Cyprus. All of the world scientists think cancer cell and other bacteria, virus, protozoan, etc. just same. All of these foreign enemy. So we have to make war, and at the end we have to reach successful treatment. Of course, same idea, contrary, vice versa. Except cancer cell, all problematic actions, functions, behaviors belong to mutations group identity, dynamics, mechanisms. So, lost its control and is governing from outside. Is it cancer cell guilty or innocence? Not guilty, because lost its control and governing by macrophages from outside. If you know about one person partially, 30% or 60%. Your treatment totally same percentage. I mean your treatment successful 30%, 60%. If you know about one person totally, completely 100%, treatment just real and same 100% completely successful. Is it chemotherapy or radiotherapy? Real, true, therapeutic method? Is it cancer cell enemy or problematic condition that would have been really solved? UNİQUEHU philosopher Efruzhu North Cyprus, Turkish Cypriot. 6. Efruzhu ANTİCANCER Drug Hu North Cyprus. All concepts from universes to the atoms under atom components started single one, go multiply, then finish central single one. I have been declared before Efruzhu central global theory law. So, cancer disease should have been solved just only one person. Unique, multimodality, drug, who, unique oncology, multidisciplinary. Multidisciplinary means all metaphysical sciences and all positive sciences dynamics together make unique real science. Unique oncology. Multimodality means different separate therapeutic agents, dynamics meet same basic fundamental unique therapeutic application that would have been brought real total absolute solution any stage. Natural product, modern molecular product, and spiritual, original, holy spiritual dynamics together, triplet. METAPOSİHU philosopher Efruzhu North Cyprus, Turkish Cypriot. And our last page, Efruzhu ANTİCANCER Drug Hu North Cyprus. Our main city, headquarters, www.youtube.com/Efruzhu Cancer Theory. North Cyprus, Turkish Cypriot, public, and philosopher Efruzhu all the time make strong effort to be hardworking all over the world. The most important problem, cancer disease to solve, real treatment of any stage. At this decade, cancer disease would have been completely, absolutely treated any stage by Efruzhu ANTİCANCER Drug Hu TABİBHU Shafihu Efruzhu North Cyprus. I would like to make declaration announcement that all of the world countries, citizens, European Union, United Nations Security Council members applying us isolations. This is not suitable of human rights. This holy concept belong to only Halikuan Gotuan that had been given all of the world, all of the people, that isolationist countries that apply us isolation unions have not got to give or refuse ours human rights. North Cyprus Center of Universal Law, Peace, Maturity, Civilization. Please finish isolations off. Open your hearts. This program, designed by UNİQUEHU philosopher Efruzhu, North Cyprus, Turkish Cypriot. Thank you very much. Thank you so much for your patience.